Today I'm going to show you a powerful automation tool built for X, formerly Twitter, that can scrap followers from any account, how to follow, how to like, how to retweet, schedule unlimited posts, warm up hundreds of accounts safely, and even send bugs DMs to targeted users. And look at the main screen right now. We are at the account management function. You can see the list of the number of live or die account. You can choose all the account to log in. Okay, for example, I will choose some. And you can check all the accounts if they are die or not. You can also update the information of the account and remember to choose specific account to update. Then we have the content management. This section allows you to create a lot of content if you want to post or you want to comment and sending message or even use for setting functions as well. You can add the new category. For example, the tweet. You can also create the tweet over here as well as you can send mass message. Okay, and you can also edit the post. And you can also create the content format message. You see the type. It also have a lot of type as well. For example, you can add more posts, like you can add more comments or message or post or seeding and shares. Okay, and you can enter a lot of contents over here using the screen structure content like this. And you can also upload the media like the image or the videos if you want to post or you want to send to somebody. Okay, and you press save. About the proxy management section is really important, used for managing the account safely. Each proxy will use for maximum 2 to 3 accounts that is safe. Okay, you can add the proxy over here with the selected format like this as well. You can check the proxy and assign the proxy to the account as well as the dynamic proxy management. This static proxy and dynamic proxy are different. To move on about the data management, the scanning article data, which have you to scan the post configuration. For example, you can set up the configuration scan post and you can select the scan configuration like you scan by keyword or community or even by individual. Okay, with keyword you can enter the keyword key here to scan, and with by community you can scan from accounts or scan from list. If you scan from list, you have to enter the account list, each account, each line. Okay, as well as the individual, you also enter the account information scanning. Also the same. Okay, but it is for the account information, not for the article. And scan post interaction also important, right? You want to get all the people that comments or likes or release emotion to your post. You can scan accounts interaction as well, scan commenters, scan portals or reposters. Okay, and you can scan follower data. You enter the ID of the profile and you can scan totally how many accounts that follows that account. Okay, or that account following. Okay, to move on, the interactive function. You see the configuration running interactively. You add the script, and here's all the script that you want to warm up the account. Allow interaction, personal interaction, follow, tracked, community, as well as design. About the posting function, like its name, you can post personally or you can post to community, and you can see all the post history after posting. And about the comment function, you can comment to personal page or community or comment post. Okay, and set up all of these things and start. And comment by keyword, you enter the keyword. Okay, each keyword, each line. And you can also answer the comments automatically, and you can answer the post as well, like post, repost, bookmark or comment on post, and even reply to comment before commenting. About the messaging function, also like its name, is really clearly at the left column of the software. The messaging function, you can message by profile page or message the following or message the followers. Setting function allow you to grow your post engagement, like you enter the comment post or hashtags. For example, you enter the post here and the number of posts. You can comment to post, to repost, bookmark, like post, prevent duplicate seeding, follow post author, tag users from, and add hashtags as well. About the follow function, the custom follow, you enter the username here, and you also can follow users by the keywords, and you enter the keyword over here, and also unfollow. You can choose suggested post or designated post to follow. You see, follow post creator or follow users who repost the post. Even interact with the post before following, so as to build the trust. The join community, you can join the community by keyword or by community link if you have. Okay, and you can enter the content before you come into specific community. And last but not least, the account function, you can change account information. Okay, change basic information as well as change the account security, the advanced information. It's easy, right? And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorial every week. See you in the next video.